Today we'll be covering the use, care, and maintenance of the CVA 6000 series built-in coffee system. For demonstration purposes, we'll be using the CVA 6800. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. Milk residue can clog up the milk pipework. If you have made a drink with milk, the coffee system will rinse the milk pipework automatically after a few minutes. We'll select the program manually. Maintenance programs are available to provide manual selection of system maintenance, if needed. In this segment, we'll now perform a rinse of the milk pipework. I'll turn on the machine. Clean the milk pipework, select and confirm it's OK. I'll now go to the main menu, select Maintenance, and select Rinse the milk pipework. The machine will rinse water being discharged from the main dispenser. And the dispenser will retract. And the process is complete. This concludes the rinsing the milk pipework video. Thank you for watching. Everything covered in this video can also be found in your operating instructions.